Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto through Phantom Wallet. First, you'll need to connect your Phantom Wallet to a reputable decentralized exchange or a platform that supports direct purchases. Once connected, you'll fund your account. This usually involves linking a bank account or using a debit card. After funding, you can then choose the specific cryptocurrency you're interested in buying. When funding your purchase, you'll typically have options like using a debit card or initiating a bank transfer. Select the method that works best for you. Next, input the precise amount of fiat currency, like US dollars, you wish to convert into crypto. Always take a moment to review all the transaction details, including any fees, before moving forward to ensure accuracy. Before finalizing, carefully examine the current exchange rate for your chosen cryptocurrency and any associated transaction fees. These can vary, so it's good to be aware. Once you're satisfied, you'll authorize the purchase, often by entering your Phantom Wallet password or confirming through a notification. Shortly after, your newly acquired cryptocurrency will be visible within your Phantom Wallet. Always prioritize security. Double-check every transaction detail before confirming to prevent errors. Remember, your Phantom Wallet's recovery phrase is crucial. Keep it safe and private, ideally written down and stored offline. For more information and to explore other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which features AI laser navigation and a self-emptying base, make sure to check the description below this video. Happy trading, and stay secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.